it's Dean again from Extreme Car Cleaning, and today we're going to do something different. I'm going to do a walkthrough video with you guys. This is our Chevy 2005 Venture van. It's pretty rough because we use this, to drive, pick up parts. We do all kinds of work with this vehicle, and unfortunately, we usually only have time to keep up the outside of it. We don't usually get a chance to go through it. We give it a quick vacuum once in a while, but this hasn't been shampooed in over a year. So I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough. I'm going to show you the inside of this vehicle, what condition it's in right now, and then I'm going to show you how it looks afterwards, and then I'm going to go through and let you guys know about all the equipment we use to clean it up. You guys are going to know all our trade secrets, and we'll walk you through this. We just got a brand new McCulloch 1385 steamer, and we're going to put that machine to the test, okay, because this thing is filthy dirty. Alright, so if we can get this clean, we can clean your vehicle. That's the whole purpose of doing this video, alright? So I don't want you being embarrassed when you bring your vehicle here, because we've seen it all, alright? There's vehicles a lot dirtier than this. We do roofing vans. The commercial vehicles are 10 times dirtier than anything you probably own, so I wouldn't even be nervous about bringing it here. We've seen pretty much everything. So anyways, I'll walk you guys through this quick, show you what we're dealing with, and then I'll show you the results after we're done cleaning this vehicle, okay? Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoy this. Okay guys, finished up the van. It looks good. It came clean, and all I used on it was the McCulloch 1385. Alright? Now, I am not sponsored at all by any of these companies for using any of their equipment, but I'm going to tell you, this thing packed a punch, because for a little machine, it really did the job. Alright, this is going to be our go-to machine from now on. The only thing I'm going to mention is after we used the steamer in there, I noticed that it loosened up an awful lot of dirt on the carpet. We did have to go behind and vacuum it one more time, but other than that, the machine is fantastic. Took gum out of the carpet, blew out the salt. I didn't use any chemicals with this, just straight steam, and the grease melted away. I was very, very impressed. It worked really good on all the cracks and crevices. All the stitching in the seat came clean. The seat belts came nice and clean. Very impressed. If you guys are looking for a good machine or a good product, or just curious about different supplies that we use, you can check us out, or you can go to who we go to when we don't have the answers, Pan the Organizer. So check Pan out. He's got a lot of really good advice. He's honest, and Pan is not sponsored by anybody either. And I've been very impressed with everything he's recommended. Alright? We've gone to chemical guys. We loaded up a whole pile of stuff from them. Very happy with the products. This McCulloch 1385 works awesome, just like he said. So pretty much if he recommends something, it's worth checking out. So until next time, thanks for watching.